In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. So what you want to do is open up your Facebook, go to the bottom right, and then click on Settings and Privacy, and then on Settings. Then you want to click on See More in Account Censure, and then click on Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Click on the account, and then you can say Deactivate Account or Delete Account. The difference is when you deactivate it, you can still log in after a certain amount of time and you won't lose all of your data, but if you delete it, all of your data will be gone with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.